Hi there, students. Misanthropy. Okay, misanthropy is a noun. It's the quality of detesting the human species. Yeah? Misanthropic, an adjective. A misanthrope, the person. Or a misanthropist, the person as well. Okay, so he's such a misanthrope. He despises people. Okay, so misanthropic, yeah, or misanthropy is general contempt of the human species, distrust of human nature, yeah, dislike of human behavior, yeah. Or a misanthropist is somebody who holds these feelings, yeah. It means they have a very negative evaluation towards humanity. And if you actually look at the things that humans do, I can understand why people are misanthropes. Yeah, they see flaws or mistakes everywhere in human beings. Yeah, not just a few extreme cases, but absolutely anyone. And this is a strong feeling that is entrenched inside. Yeah, so I don't know, comedians very often make jokes about misanthropy or about misanthropes or misanthropic tendencies in our world. If we look at the wars and injustice and inhumanity around us, it's very easy to imagine why people could be misanthropic. Yeah, so a misanthrope detests human beings. Yeah, it distrusts humankind. Okay, it's maybe you're skeptical about the human. It's the idea that humans are malevolent. Yeah, they're cynical. It's skepticism about humans. It's quite a strong thing. Let's look at the origin, because the origin's quite good. This one I know off by heart. It comes from miseo in ancient Greek, which means to hate, and anthropos, humans. Okay, so miseo, as in misogynist, yeah, that's miseo gune, hate women, yeah, and misanthropy or misanthropist, anthropos, a man, or humans, as in anthropology, the study of humans. Yeah, so he's very famous for his outbursts of resentment and misanthropy. Yeah, he detests the human species. Well, probably in some cases, if you read the news, you might not blame him. If you continue to express your misanthropic feelings like that, you're going to end up alone with absolutely no friends. Well, maybe it's safer, yeah, because like that they can't do anything to you. Okay, so misanthropy, distrust, hatred of humans. Yeah, they're a bad lot. Yeah, there's a very strong misanthropic element in his character. Yeah, he thinks that humans are not a good species. Okay, so formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 6 in formality. But I think you could use it anywhere, although it is a little bit on the formal side. Yeah. So a misanthrope or a misanthropist, this is somebody who believes that all people are bad generally. Yeah. If you ask the question, are people generally good or bad, the misanthrope's going to say people are bad. But I think that most people don't have such misanthropic leanings. Okay, people generally believe that the human species is good. It just depends on the situation you put them in. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Misanthropy, a misanthrope, misanthropist, misanthropic,